Guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, I'm not gonna tell who I am. You have to go check out my intro video in the card above. Go check out now and then come back and continue to watch this video. Okay, so today's video is gonna be a super fun video where I'm gonna try something new and something for the first time, of course. So I am not an artist, I'm not good at painting. So yeah, I'm not some kind of an artist, or I am not as good at painting. I don't know why, but I'm not good at it. I can't draw a straight line. Being a civil engineer, I think it's quite disappointing. No, I can draw a straight line, but I can't really draw and be creative and etc. stuff. So, but I love painting. How funny. I don't know, but still I love it. When did I do that? I love it. Anyways, I like it. It's nice. I'm not so good at it. Maybe I can do like first kindergarten kind. I can do that much, but I can't be like 12th PUC degree kind of artist and all. So for the ones who are like me, this is where it comes. So yeah, it's a fluid acrylic colors where you pour the colors and create beautiful paintings out of it. You're gonna develop that inner artist in you and it's gonna happen just like that. I don't think so you need something creative, just you need to have quite little techniques, that's it. Yeah, I'm really excited and I've seen so many people trying it out and it really felt very, therapeutic and calming and satisfying when pouring the colors into the canvas. Wow, how satisfying, right? I thought why not try it. So I have this pack. This is from Camel. So they have three colors in this. I have taken this monochrome shades. They have sunshine or something shade, and one more is like aqua shade. I think that's what it's called. But sunshine is more of like pinks, this orange, yellow, and etc. And this aqua is like blue, light blue, dark blue, white, and etc. This is like black and white, not black and white. Yeah, sorry, it's black and white and silver and golden. That's what it has. I'll open and see what else the ones are. So, yo. And yeah, it retails for $249, which is pretty good, I feel. They give a canvas and they give 4 colors in a bottle, and I think this is an apron so that it doesn't spill on your colors, don't spill on your clothes or anything. So yeah, that is what it is. All 3 things are there, just you have to do it. I've seen few videos how to do it, so I think I'm pretty good. I'm pretty much set for how to do it part. Let's see how it will turn out. Let's see this easy thing, how good I'll do it. So that's what it is. So without any further ado, let's run into the video. guys, that's it about today's video. I hope you had fun watching this amazingly satisfying thing of painting, and hope you would, some of you would try it also after seeing me getting inspired by the artist I had become by creating that painting. So yeah, that was it about today's video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video, get notified. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle here, or also in the description box. It will be there. You can go check out there also. And be subscribed, because a lot of fun videos are coming up pretty soon. Till then, take care. Have a great day. I think, I don't know when I'll upload, so whatever it is, have a great of that thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.